Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to backup phone contact to Gmail in Samsung Mobile. So if you have bunch of contacts in your Samsung Mobile and now you want to backup or export all of them to your Gmail ID or Gmail account, here's how to do it. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, in your iPhone, open Contacts app. Now tap on this hamburger menu and tap on Manage Contacts. Tap on Export Contacts. And as you can see, I have total 33 contacts. And now to select where to export these contacts to. Here select internal storage and just tap on Export. And a contacts.vcf file will be exported to your internal storage. Just tap on OK. And now I'm going to my files, tapping on downloads, and under download folder you will see the contacts.vcf file. So I've successfully exported all of my Samsung device contacts into this file. Now it's time to backup or upload this in our Google account. To do that, you have to open a browser and make sure to sign into the Gmail or Google account in which account you want to backup your contacts. Once done, just tap on your profile photo here. Sorry, you have to open google.com. So in the search bar, just type google.com and now tap on this app icon. And here tap on contacts. And then you will directly jump into your Google Contacts page. Here, it's time to import our contacts. So tap on this upload icon. And here select, Okay, once you are in your Google Contact, tap on this hamburger menu and tap on Import. And here select File and tap on Media Picker. And now all you have to need, go to your download folder and just select the contact.vcf file. So here my VCF file, and just tap on Import. And as you can see, my contacts are importing. So this is how we can easily backup our Samsung mobile phone contact to Gmail. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.